Hi guys! So today I'll be sharing with you all my watch collection. These are just 5 watches. I will be having a part 2 series because sorry, I'm guilty of owning more than 10, 12 watches maybe. So currently these are the one I've been using a lot lately. So I thought let me share with you all the one which I've been using a lot lately. So without any further ado, let's get into the collection. So if you're wondering from where I got this box, this is from India Circus. You can check out my haul, I can share the link below. So let's get started. Latest purchase. This is from this watch is from the brand Coach. I got this from Shoppers Stop. I was looking for a silver watch, and I like this combination of silver and rose gold. It felt unique. It is nice, simple. It looks sophisticated. So yeah, hence I decided to give it a try. So after March it was lockdown in India, so never really got chance to take it out. But yeah, looking forward to wearing this watch. My next watch is this beautiful rose gold Daniel Wellington watch. I got this in the month of October. It's a birthday gift from my husband, and I never really took this brand very seriously. But when I went to the store, I really loved the quality is really nice, very steady. The metal is really amazing. I always thought that this brand is very influencer brand, so maybe not really good product. But I was surprised. I seen this. There was a color in silver also. I really wanted to try that, but all my friends suggested that no, please. I took a poll, so they said please go for the rose gold. So to complement this watch, I also bought the handcuffs or bracelet, whatever you call it. It's very sleek. They both go on. They look very well, And I also did go a little indulgent, and I also bought the ring. And this is a very unique ring. This has like a grayish tone to it. Overall, in combination, they look very nice. Moving on to my next watch. This is from Guess, and it's a very classic gold watch. And I love the way it looks on my hand. It really does, goes very well with my warm tone skin. This is the most used watch I feel. I love layering this watch with a lot of other jewelry, and so I've showed this to my friends, my colleagues at work, and I told them to guess what is the price. Some guessed 30k, some guessed 25k, all that. And when I told them that I actually got this because of some offer, some sale running at Lifestyle, I got this for 6k, they all were very surprised. So I got it at a very good deal, and forget the deal price, guys. I have used this watch so much in the past 1 year. That's a pura paisa vastu. Like I can actually feel it that ये watch has already the पैसा पूरा तर गया अभी तक. Guys, my next watch is another prized possession of mine. This is a Casio classic watch which they got it into gold. It was a limited edition. I never really got to know when it was launched in India and it got sold out. I was really searching for it. I wasn't getting anywhere. And then I bumped into it in Bangkok. I seen this watch and I was like, oh my god, I really want it. And there were 2 watches, identical looking, but one was fake, one was original. The fake looked much better, guys, honestly, and it was just for 2k, and the original one was 4.5k. I was so tempted to buy the fake one, but my husband said like no, go for the original one. Plus, the guarantee warranty is much better. So I love the way it has this turquoise light, and it's a very classic watch. I have used it a lot. You can see already from the scratches, and whenever I post a picture with this watch, on my Instagram, I always find someone asking me, oh, from where did you get it? Oh, it's such a lovely watch, such a unique collection, such a unique watch. This is the final watch from this collection. This is a Fossil watch. It is their first smartwatch. It is also called as a hybrid watch because this is analog as well as it has some of these smartwatch features, like it can count steps, it has alarm, it has some you can find your phone. There are a couple of such features. I don't really use much for for walking and all. Reason being, it has a leather band and I sweat a lot, so I don't want to spoil it. Nonetheless, if someone who doesn't know what hybrid is, so basically it's an analog plus it has a smartwatch feature. So like these are called analog watches and these are called digital watches. So in case someone doesn't know, so just informing them. And I love the way the whole tan and this matte gold combination worked. This watch was around 15K, and there was some offer running that where I gave my old watch, and in return of that I got some good 15-20% discount. So I think I paid around 10K for this watch. So it's a very nice, lovely watch, and so guys, that is the end of first collection. Which do you like the most? Do let me know, and please be safe and take care of your health.